Hello, students. This is Akshita, your educator. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. So, as we know, friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming Maharashtra B.Ed CET and ELCT 2023. In this particular course, we'll be discussing about the topics from the ELCT. So, in today's lecture, we'll be talking about the subject-verb agreement. In previous lecture, we have discussed what are the rules in case of subject verb agreement, and in today's lecture we'll be discussing some of the questions regarding it. So let us discuss what are the features of this particular course launched by Global Online platform for B.Ed CET and ELCT 2023. So the course consists of the following features: full syllabus video lectures, 10 full syllabus test series, full syllabus complete notes, and 2000 plus MCQ question bank. All above features will be provided to you in the course fees of 1000 rupees. Simply you have to go and download the Global Online application for joining the course, or you can contact us on the number given here 8179138413. For B.Ed CET entrance examination, the fees is of 1000 rupees. At same time, if you are preparing for ELCT along with the B.Ed CET entrance examination, the course fees will be 1500 rupees. This examination is for the students who want to opt the English medium B.Ed colleges. So for this you have to give the extra 50 marks ELCT exam, and if you are preparing for this, then you have to get enrolled to the course of 1500 rupees. Okay, at the same time, from Global Online application also you can get enrolled to the course. Global Online application is available on the Play Store. You can search it and install the application. Once you will install it, open the application, you will find such interface. In this particular interface, if you look downwards, there is an icon named as store. You have to click on it. You will move to the page called as My Courses. In My Courses page, there is a search tab where you have to type CET. Once you will type CET, course along with the fees will be displayed, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing about the questions of subject verb agreement. So yesterday we have discussed the theory part of this. What are the rules regarding the subject verb agreement to make a sentence senseful, or we can say to make it accurate? What is the relation between the subject and verb? So we have discussed it already. So in today's lecture we'll be discussing about the questions what can be asked in the exam. Now this is the grammar based you can say topic, and this is something that can be really asked in the examination for 2 to 3 marks. Okay, so iska अच्छे से prepare करेंगे हम. So the first thing in this particular statement you can clearly see is that one statement is given and there is one small bracket. So from that particular bracket you have to choose one particular word for this sentence. Okay, so in this sentence we can see that your friendship over the years and your support has or have is the one term which we have to select. Okay, meant a great deal to us. So you have to tell the correct word. So for the correct word is have. Okay, have. Your friendship over the years and your support have meant a great deal to us. Hamilton Family Center, a shelter for teenage runaways in San Francisco, offers a wide variety of the services. So in this particular question, Hamilton Family Center, it is a shelter. Oh, एक single shelter है. इस particular shelter के अंदर they run. It is for the teenage runaways in San Francisco. Okay, they are offering a wide variety of services. So for this particular statement, offers आना चाहिए, offer आना चाहिए. We have to choose here. So here comes the offers, because now if you read the sentence, Hamilton Family Center, a shelter for teenage runaways in San Francisco, offers a wide variety of services. तो offers यहाँ पे जो है right word fit हो रहा है या insert हो रहा है, we can say. Next, third statement, the main source of income for Trinidad is or are oil and pitch. So here, firstly I'll tell you the right word is. Okay, so the main source of income for Trinidad is oil and pitch. Is not are oil and pitch. Okay, so यहाँ पे exact कौन सा जाना चाहिए? Is जाना चाहिए. Next question is the chances of your being promoted is or are excellent. So the chances, look at the subject over here. The chances of your being promoted are excellent, so chances goes with are. So the verb here are is getting agreed with the subject chances. ओके सिमिलरली यहाँ पे सोर्स था नॉट सोर्सेस, इसीलिए हमने इज लिया है. ओके अगेन इफ यू सी हियर हैमिल्टन फैमिली सेंटर है, सेंटर्स नहीं है, इसलिए वी हैव यूज ऑफर्स. ओके ऑफर्स. ओके एज वेल एज योर फ्रेंडशिप ओवर हियर, ये हैव के साथ जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज देयर वॉज और वर अ पोकेमॉन कार्ड stuck to the refrigerator. So in this particular statement you have to look at this word card. कार्ड्स दिया है क्या? नहीं, सिंगुलर है. सो द राइट वर्ड for this will go was. There was a Pokemon card stuck to the refrigerator. If there was cards in this statement, cards अगर दिया रहता, there were Pokemon cards, not a Pokemon. फिर से a Pokemon card, a is again representing a singular form, right? So here there was a Pokemon card stuck to the refrigerator. Neither the professor nor the assistant was or were able to solve the mystery of the eerie glow in the laboratory. So for this particular statement, if we look at assistants, assistant दिया है क्या? नहीं, assistants दिया है, hence was आएगा क्या? नहीं, were आएगा. Plural form going with were, right? So here verb were is getting agreed with the assistants over here. So neither the professor nor his assistants were able to solve the mystery of the eerie glow in the laboratory. Many hours at the driving range has or have led us to design golf balls with a GPS locator in them. If we look at the question carefully, many hours दिया है, काफ़ी सारे घंटे, राइट? मेनी आवर्स एट द ड्राइविंग रेंज, हैज़ आना चाहिए या हैव आना चाहिए? These many hours at the driving range has led us या have led us to design golf ball with the GPS locator in them. ये आना चाहिए यहाँ पे have, not has. Okay, if there is any kind of doubt in any statement, you can mention that particular part of exercise. Now this is exercise 1. You can mention the question of exercise 1 in the comment section. Okay, this is the next question number 8 that you have to solve as a homework, and you have to tell me in the comment section कि यहाँ पे for the question discovered in the soil of our city garden was or were a button dating from the Civil War dating from the turn of the century. So here was आना चाहिए या were आना चाहिए? You have to tell me that. We'll solve one more exercise. This is the type 2 of the question. Here, edit the following sentences to eliminate problem with subject verb agreement and write the edited sentence. If the sentence is correct, write it correct. First thing is you have to read the sentence carefully. Sentence अच्छे से पढ़ना है. Then you have to check whether the statement given is appropriate or inappropriate. अगर inappropriate है तो किस word के वजह से, किस verb के वजह से, किसके वजह से it is getting inappropriate. Eliminate that particular problem from this statement, as well as check whether there is a subject verb agreement or not in that sentence. Also if not, then edit the sentence. अगर statement पूरा correct जा रहा है, then mention correct over there. For example, यहाँ पे was के जगह पे जो correction चाहिए था, that was were, तो यहाँ पे हमने change किया. This was question for an example. Okay, was के जगह पे required was were. Jack's first days in the infantry was grueling. So in this statement was देख लिया था उन्होंने. So what was going right with here? Look here, the Jack's first days के साथ verb कौन सा जाएगा? Is it really agreeing with the subject? No. So here insert करना है हमें was के जगह पे were that will agree with that of the subject. So hence the Jack first days in the infantry were grueling, not was. उसी तरीके से अभी ये क्वेश्चंस हमें सॉल्व करने हैं. लुक एट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन्स फॉर एलिफेंट पोचिंग आर द प्रॉफिट्स रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम सेलिंग द आइवरी टस्क्स. ओके ये क्वेश्चन है. इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर वी हैव टू एडिट दी स्टेटमेंट अगर आपको अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं लग रहा है. इफ़ इट इज़ अप्रोप्रिएट मेंशन इट एज करेक्ट. ओके सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के अंदर अप्रोप्रिएट लग रहा है क्या, पहले वो पढ़ेंगे. वन ऑफ द मेन रीजंस फॉर एलिमेंट पोचिंग. स्टेटमेंट पढ़ के समझ आ रहा है, राइट. वन ऑफ द मेन रीजंस. अभी मेनी स्टूडेंट्स गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड इन दिस. काफ़ी सारे रीजंस है. उस रीज़न में से एक रीज़न हमने निकाला है. दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन्स. मैम ये रीजन्स नहीं आना चाहिए था, रीज़न आना चाहिए था. गलत. वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन्स ही आएगा. काफ़ी सारे रीजन्स है, उसमें से अगर हम एक पिक कर रहे देन देर विल कम वन ऑफ द मेनी रीजन्स ही आएगा, रीज़न नहीं आएगा. ओके सो दिस इज़ राइट. Now, one of the main reasons for elephant poaching are नहीं आएगा. This is a single reason. One of the मतलब एक रीज़न. काफ़ी सारे रीज़न में से एक रीज़न. तो यहाँ पे आर नहीं आना चाहिए था, यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था इज. Got it? Because this is singular. One of the main reasons is singular. तो आगे चल के आर नहीं आना चाहिए, इज आना चाहिए. Now this will agree with the subject. Next question is not until my interview with Dr. Chang were the possibilities open to me. So this particular statement के अंदर there is no correction, so write here as correct. इसके अंदर कोई भी correction नहीं है. Okay. Next question is batik clothes from Bali, blue and white ceramic from Cambodia, and a book ball from Turin has made Hannah's room the talk of the dorm. सो यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मेंशन की गई है. वन इज़ द बाटिक क्लॉथ फ्रॉम बाली, ब्लू एंड वाइट सिरेमिक्स फ्रॉम कंबोडिया, एंड अ बोसी वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू प्रोनाउंस इट बॉल फ्रॉम द टूरिन हैज़ मेड हनाज रूम द टॉक ऑफ द डॉम. सो हियर यहाँ पे गलत चीज़ क्या जा रही है, हैज़ मेड. यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था हैव मेड. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें दे हैव मेड हनाज रूम द टॉक ऑफ द डॉम. ओके सो हैव आना चाहिए था, हैज़ नहीं. यहाँ पे ये मेंशन करके लिखना है आपको. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स इग्नोरिंग द विशेस ऑफ द नेबरहुड हैज़ वोटेड टू अलाउ फर्दर डेवलपमेंट. नाउ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन अगेन एवरीथिंग हैज़ गॉन अप्रोप्रिएटली प्रॉपर गया, इसलिए दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. Even if we see the next statement, measles is a contagious childhood disease. One of my students said that मैम यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था R. गलत. measles is a single disease. measles is a disease. एक डिसीज़ के बारे में बात करें इसीलिए ईज आएगा, नॉट आर. तो उन्होंने बोला था कि मैम मीज़ल है, ईएस नहीं आना चाहिए था. नहीं, ये करेक्ट एक एक्यूरेट स्पेलिंग है मीजल्स, और ये एक पर्टिकुलर डिसीज़ है, तो इसीलिए वहाँ पे आर नहीं आएगा, ईज आएगा. इट इज़ अ कंटैजियस चाइल्डहुड डिसीज़. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखना अभी. The presence of certain bacteria in our bodies are one of the factors that determines our overall health. Once again a question की तरफ देखेंगे. The presence of certain bacteria in our bodies. The presence of certain bacteria in our bodies are नहीं आना चाहिए, यहाँ पे आना चाहिए is. सर्टन बैक्टीरिया के बारे में बोला है, बैक्टीरियाज बोला है क्या, नहीं. काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स बॉडीज़ की तरफ देख के आंसर करेक्ट कर देते हैं, गलत. यहाँ पे बैक्टीरिया के साथ कंपेयर करना है. सो द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सर्टन बैक्टीरिया इन आवर बॉडीज इज़ वन ऑफ द फैक्टर्स दैट डिटरमाइंस द ओवरऑल हेल्थ. तो इज आना चाहिए, नॉट आर. मेक द करेक्शन. ले इज the only one of many applicants who has the ability to step into this job. जो प्रॉपर स्टेटमेंट है ये पढ़ के समझ आ रहा है, इसके अंदर कोई करेक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हेंस इट इज़ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. ओके सो मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन दैट यू हैव टू सॉल्व अगेन एज अ होमवर्क. आई विल चेक इट. आप जो है कमेंट सेक्शन में तो एक्सरसाइज 1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, एक्सरसाइज 2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 दोनों भी सॉल्व करके मुझे आंसर्स बताओगे, वेदर द स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट, या इफ़ करेक्ट नहीं है तो क्या एडिट करना है हमें वहाँ पे, वो चीज़ आपको मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ड्रॉप करके बतानी है. एंड आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो आई विल शेयर यू द PDF ऑफ दिस subject verb agreement topic in the WhatsApp group. So this was end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. If you have any kind of doubt, you can mention in the comment section, as well as at the same time you can ask me in the WhatsApp group, और personally भी text कर सकते हो, कोई problem नहीं. इसके बाद कल हम नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। आज के लेक्चर के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी। हैव अ ग्रेट डे एवरीवन, बाय।